28th question says integrate from pi by 6 to pi by 3 sin x plus cos x upon under root of sin 2x. How will we do this? So once I have that sin x plus cos x, or maybe sin x minus cos x in the numerator, along with some expression of sin 2x in the denominator, there's a special idea which you should be aware of. Now this particular idea has been used in examples of NCERT, not given directly in the NCERT as a idea or result or some kind of a method, but let me assure you, you will need that. If you have sin x plus cos x over here, then think of sin x minus cos x. Think of sin x minus cos x equal to t substitution, and this sin 2x has to be converted into that sin x minus cos x. Using, there are two things, right? Sin x minus cos x square is equal to sin square x plus cos square x minus 2 sin x cos x. This 2 sin x cos x is sin 2x, right? Sin 2x can be done as 1 minus this, and this has to be taken as t if you have sin x plus cos x in the numerator, along with some expression of sin 2x, right? Yes. In another case, if you have sin x minus cos x in the numerator, you will use this other idea. What is that? Sin x plus cos x square is equal to 1 plus sin 2x. This is what you'll get. In case you have sin x minus cos x in the numerator, you will put sin x plus cos x as t. And let's see in this question, how does that help us? So I is equal to pi by 6 to pi by 3. Sin x plus cos x is okay. Under root is also okay. Sin 2x, I can write this sin 2x as 1 minus this whole square. Yes, yes. This is 1 minus. This is what you put. And now make the substitution. Put sin x minus cos x is equal to t. Once you do that, what do you get? The derivative of sin x is cos x. Cos x, the derivative minus sin x, that becomes plus sin x, with dx is equal to dt. This is what you get. Is that okay? Yes. Tuck dx is equal to dt. Okay. And what about the lower limit? Lower limit says x equal to pi by 6. T will be equal to sin pi by 6 minus cos pi by 6. What is sin pi by 6? Do you know? Sin pi by 6 will be equal to 1 by 2. Cos pi by 6 is root 3 by 2. So this is 1 minus root 3 by 2. What about the upper limit? Upper limit implies t is equal to sin pi by 3, which is root 3 by 2, minus cos pi by 3, which is 1 by 2. So this is root 3 minus 1 by 2. Using these, the integral I will be equal to what? Therefore, the integral will be equal to, let's take a look at that integral over there. Limits. Limits can be substituted. Lower limit will be 1 minus root 3 by 2, root 3 minus 1 by 2. Sin x plus cos x dx. Sin x plus cos x dx will be dt upon under root of 1 minus t square is what I get. Is that okay? Yes. This is what you get. The limits can be substituted, right? Lower limit and upper limit can be substituted. We'll substitute that. But this integral now is pretty simple. Yes. Dt upon under root of 1 minus t square, the integral is sin inverse t. Yes. So that tells me, okay, I will be equal to sin inverse t from lower limit, that is 1 minus root 3 by 2, or you can write it as minus of root 3 minus 1 by 2 to root 3 minus 1 by 2. This is what I get. Yes. And sin inverse root 3 minus 1 by 2, what is that? What is that? Can you help me with that? Yes, maybe. Root 3 minus 1 by 2, is it some particular value? Is this some value which we already know? Does not seem so, because had this been root 3 minus 1 upon 2 root 2, yes, we would have thought about it, because this becomes, then it becomes root 3 minus 1 upon 2 root 2 will be 15 degree, that is pi by 12. But this root 3 minus 1 upon 2, no, this is no standard value. Yes, this is no standard value. So what else? We'll have to leave it as it is. Sin inverse, this is root 3 minus 1 upon 2 minus sin inverse minus of this expression. Root 3 minus 1 upon 2, this. And this minus can come out common. What you get is sin inverse root 3 minus 1 by 2 plus sin inverse root 3 minus 1 by 2, which is 2 times sin inverse root 3 minus 1 by 2. And yes, we'll have to leave the answer at this stage. That is my final answer for this question using this one, right? That's all in this 28th question, as you can see over here.